Understanding I've Got to Run, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that can be a bit confusing for learners. I've got to run. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase. First, let's break down the phrase. I've got to run literally means someone needs to physically run somewhere. However, in most contexts, this isn't the intended meaning. It's important to understand that English speakers often use phrases figuratively, and this is a perfect example of that. In everyday conversation, I've got to run is a figurative way of saying that someone needs to leave quickly or is in a hurry. It's often used as a polite way to end a conversation or leave a place without giving a detailed explanation. For example, if someone looks at their watch and says, "I've got to run," they mean they need to leave immediately, probably because they have another appointment or obligation. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase correctly. It's typically used in informal situations, like chatting with friends or colleagues. For instance, if you're at a coffee shop with a friend and you realize you're late for an appointment, you might say, "I've got to run, but let's catch up soon." There are several variations of this phrase, such as, "I've got to dash," or "I must be off." These all convey a similar sense of urgency and the need to leave quickly. It's good to be familiar with these variations, as they can appear in different English-speaking regions. "I've got to run" is a handy phrase to use when you're in a hurry. Remember, it's a casual, polite way to exit a conversation or situation. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this common English expression. Keep practicing, and you'll be navigating these phrases like a native speaker in no time. See you in our next lesson.